In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video call on Telegram desktop. First, make sure you're using the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Video calling isn't supported in the web version, so you'll want the full desktop application on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. If you haven't opened it in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so all call features and security fixes are in place. Before you begin, plug in your webcam and headset if you use them, and close any apps that might already be using your camera or microphone to avoid conflicts. Go ahead and launch Telegram Desktop. If the app asks you to log in, follow the on-screen prompts. You can sign in with your phone number, or, if you prefer, use the QR method from your mobile app for a quick, secure login. If you see system permission pop-ups asking to access your microphone or camera, allow them so your call can use those devices. With the app open, look to the left sidebar to find the person you want to call. You can scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to type their name. Click their chat to open the conversation. It helps to send a quick message first, just to let them know you're calling, especially if you're not sure they're available. For the best call quality, try to be near your Wi-Fi router or connect via Ethernet and use headphones to reduce echo. In the chat window, look at the top right corner for the phone icon. Click it to start an audio call. Telegram will begin ringing the other person, and you'll see the call window with basic controls. You can mute your microphone while it's dialing if needed, and you'll see status indicators as the call connects. If your computer asks again for mic access at this point, confirm it. Once the call is connected, turn it into a video call by clicking the camera icon, usually labeled Start Video, at the bottom of the call window. You might see a brief preview of your camera. This is normal. If your video doesn't appear, check that your webcam isn't in use by another app and that permissions are granted. You can toggle your camera on or off at any time during the call, switch back to audio only if your connection slows, and use the mute button to control your mic. The red button ends the call when you're done. That's it. Launch Telegram Desktop, log in if asked, open the chat, start the audio call, then enable video. With these steps, you'll be ready for smooth, secure video conversations on Telegram.